The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recently found that nearly 1 in 4 people eat avocados every day. The CDC also found that avocado consumption has increased by 300% over the past decade. But what happens if you eat an avocado every day? Here are some surprising side effects. Now, before we get started, we want to make something clear. We're not telling you to stop eating avocados. In fact, we think they're delicious and convenient. However, we believe in full transparency when it comes to nutrition. So today we'll be discussing some negative side effects of avocados so you can make an informed decision about how many avocados you should eat per day. Let's jump right in. Are avocados good for you? This is a question many people ask themselves, and the answer is yes, but with some caveat. Avocados are high in monounsaturated fats, which are good for your heart and can help lower cholesterol. They're also high in potassium, vitamin K and folate. These nutrients play important roles in maintaining good health. So yes, avocados are very good for you, but eating one every day can have some unintended consequences. If you love avocados, we don't want to change your habits. But it's important to know how much of a good thing is too much. Stay tuned. We'll tell you all about the surprising things that happen to your body if you eat an avocado every day. No. 1. Weight gain. Too many avocados can cause weight gain. It sounds crazy since avocados are packed with nutrients. They also fill you up, so you might eat less. But avocados are calorie dense. One medium avocado contains around 322 calories. Even if you don't notice, those calories can add up quickly. If you're eating one avocado every day, that's 7,260 calories per month. Over time, these extra calories can lead to fat gain. So if you're trying to lose weight, you might want to limit your avocado intake. No. 2. Diarrhea. If you eat too many avocados, you could get diarrhea. That's because avocados are high in fat. Your body has to work hard to digest the fat, and that can cause diarrhea. Additionally, avocados contain a fungus called fusarium can cause illness, including diarrhea. Symptoms usually go away on their own within a few days. But if you're suffering from severe diarrhea, see a doctor immediately. No. 3. Stomach cramps. Avocados are high in fiber. This is great for your digestion. But if you eat too many avocados, you may experience stomach cramps. That's because your body needs time to adjust to the fiber. When you eat too much fiber, your body can't break it down fast enough, and the excess fiber can cause cramping. Number 4. Kidney stones. Eating too many avocados can increase your risk of kidney stones. That's because avocados are high in oxalates. Oxalates are natural compounds found in many foods, including spinach and nuts. They can bind together with calcium in your urine and form hard deposits in your kidneys. This can cause excruciating pain and even kidney damage. If you're prone to kidney stones, you might want to limit your avocado intake. No. Gout. Eating too many avocados can trigger gout. That's because avocados are high in fructose. Fructose is a type of sugar that's found in many foods, including honey and fruits. When you eat too much fructose, it can cause a buildup of uric acid in your body. Uric acid is a type of substance that can form hard deposits in your joints. This can cause painful inflammation and gout attacks. If you suffer from gout, you might want to limit your avocado intake. No. 6. Nutrient deficiencies. You might be thinking, isn't it possible to get too much of a good thing? Well, not exactly. While avocados are packed with essential nutrients, eating too many avocados can actually lead to deficiencies in other important nutrients. For example, avocados are high in potassium, but they also contain phytate. Phytate can block your body's ability to absorb calcium, iron and zinc. This can lead to deficiencies in these important minerals. So if you're eating too many avocados, you might want to switch it up and add some other nutrient-rich foods to your diet. No. 7. Gallstones. Avocados are high in cholesterol. This can be bad news if you're at risk of developing gall. That's because your body uses cholesterol to make bile. Bile helps you digest fats. But if you have too much cholesterol in your bile, it can cause gallstone formation. Gallstones are small, hard deposits that can form in your gallbladder. They can cause severe pain and even life-threatening infections. If you're at risk of gallstones, you might want to limit your avocado intake. No. 8. High blood sugar. Avocados are high in carbohydrates. This can be bad news if you're trying to control your blood sugar levels. That's because carbs are broken down into sugar in your body. This can cause your blood sugar levels to spike. So if you're diabetic or pre-diabetic, you might want to limit your avocado intake. 9. Mouth irritation. Avocados are high in tannic acid. This is a natural compound that's found in many plants. It's used to treat certain types of bleeding, but it can also cause irritation in your mouth. If you're eating too many avocados, you might start to notice some redness and irritation in your mouth. This is usually temporary and will go away on its own. But if you're experiencing any pain or discomfort, see a dentist immediately. Number 10. Premature birth. If you're pregnant and eating too many avocados, you might be putting yourself at risk of premature birth. That's because avocados are high in vitamin E. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin that's important for your baby's development. But too much vitamin E can cause your body to go into premature labor. This can put your baby at risk of serious health problems. So if you're pregnant, you might want to limit your avocado intake. And now for the big reveal, the most surprising side effect of eating an avocado every day. Are you ready? Avocados can cause a buildup of oxalates in your body. Oxalates are natural compounds that can bind together with calcium and form hard deposits in your joints. This can cause painful inflammation and even kidney stones. But there is a way to reduce the oxalate content in avocados. Cooking them can lower the oxalate content by up to 50%. So if you're at risk of kidney stones, you might want to cook your avocados before eating them. So there you have it. Avocados are a nutritious and delicious food. But eating too many can cause some unwanted side effects. We hope this video has been helpful. Remember, everything in moderation. It's okay to enjoy an avocado every day, but be aware of the potential risks. Before you go, we'd love to hear from you. How many avocados do you eat every day? Comment below. And if you're looking for more healthy eating tips, be sure to check out our video link above.